Hey folks, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now let's say you just got stung by a bee, a yellow jacket, a wasp. First thing you want to do is you want to get that stinger out of there, okay? Generally speaking, if you can go with the direction of your hair, and you can try and get that out of there. The next thing you want to do, which is really easy, is you can use toothpaste. Now toothpaste has what's called an astringent. It's a fancy word for saying it's a sponge that will help suck whatever venom's in your arm out. The other cool thing about using toothpaste, especially the white ones, is generally speaking they have menthol in them, which is a cooling agent. So between the astringent and the menthol, you're going to reduce any of the pain that you're going to feel from that sting almost immediately. All right, folks, this is Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. Be a survivor, not a statistic.